So 1 month ago, I had a call from the emergency physicians. They told me about a 2-year-old baby. She had a severe crush injury to her hand. She was in the mall with her family, and all of a sudden she falls on the escalator and her hand gets crushed between the escalator steps. So we had to take her immediately to the operation room, and it takes us more than 10 hours to operate on her, a continuous operation. And we were able, thanks God, to revascularize her fingers. We could preserve them all. We repair the function, the nerves, all of the tendons. So we are fortunate here in Al Jalila Children's Hospital that we have all the specialties together working. We have the emergency physicians who did a heroic job. They could stabilize the baby and prepare her for the surgery. And thankfully now we can use the support and help from the occupational therapy department, as it's not a one-step surgery. So it means the more follow-up and more support from all of the disciplinaries.
I'm really thankful and grateful to Al Jalila Children's Specialty Hospital to really good care of my daughter from the emergency room to the recovery stage and giving her the chance back to the normal life.
And we always tell each and every parent to take care of their children whenever they are in the mall or anywhere. Don't leave their hand, always catch the hands and make sure that take the safety of the child with you always.